cutting open our first haunted doll. JJ, where are you? Oh my God, he's moving.
Moment of truth.
Let's see what's inside of JJ. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Tonight we are about to do something we have never ever done before. We are going to be cutting open our first haunted doll. But it's not just any haunted doll. It's a cocomelon JJ doll. That's right guys, this doll is insane. We purchased this JJ cocomelon doll a few weeks ago for our baby Blake. And ever since we purchased this doll, oh my God guys, you will not believe what's been happening. This doll talks by itself, moves around the whole house by itself. I'm telling you guys, this doll is crazy.
Yeah, and creepy.
That's right guys, this JJ doll is so creepy, Blakey won't even play with him.
So tonight we're gonna be cutting open JJ doll to see if there's something inside of him, maybe a remote control battery, something that explains why he's moving around the house and acting this way. There has to be something inside, something weird inside of him, and we're about to find out tonight guys. Here it is guys, JJ from cocomelon. What the heck?
Where is he?
Where did he go?
Where did he go?
Guys, do you see what I mean? We were just about to cut open JJ from cocomelon and the lights just went off and he just disappeared. We don't even know where he is right now. He was just right here.
Right, go check inside your tent.
Where could he be? You see what I mean, guys?
This doll is very creepy.
I just heard laughing.
I heard that too.
Yeah.
I wonder where it's coming from.
Oh my, guys.
Wait a minute. It's coming from here.
JJ, where are you? What the heck?
Yo, he's moving.
He's just laughing.
Exactly. It's like he's playing a game on us or something.
He's
right?
playing hide and seek.
We got you. I got you.
Oh my God.
Why you ain't telling this thing talk?
He doesn't talk. It's not supposed
He
to.
just talk.
He said nighty night. Oh
Is this
my.
thing alive or something? What was that again? What? He said you better put me down or else. Or else what?
Just tape him down, tape him down, tape him down. Tape him down, get the tape, it's right there. Yeah, hold him, hold him.
Hold him down, hold him, hold him.
Hold him, hold him.
I need more tape.
Oh, that, we need more.
Thank you.
Tape him more.
Trying. They just keep moving.
Hold him down. Oh my God.
What the heck? All right,
Guys,
hold his
this
head.
doll is alive.
This is getting out of hand. This is getting out of hand.
Oh my goodness.
We gotta see what's
tie
going
him
on.
up good.
We gotta see what's going on with this guy. JJ.
There's definitely something inside.
Sorry, you're cute and everything, but your looks can be deceiving. He keeps laughing. Alright, that's it, JJ. I don't want to have to do it to you, but I gotta do it to you. Moment of truth.
Let's see what's inside of JJ. What's wrong? What's wrong?
It's some type of force. Won't even let me come. Okay, here we go. Sorry, Jay.
Let's do this.
I'm going first.
Okay, go in there. See what you find inside of them.
I feel
What you feel? Wait, I see something too. What you got? What is that? A M.
Letter M.
What's that about?
That's weird.
A crayon?
Yeah.
Crayon.
Wait, is it something else on here? Wait, what's this?
What is it?
Wait, something else is in here.
Guys, what is a crayon doing
Help me get him.
in a letter M?
It's an A.
So we got an M, an A, and a piece of a broken yellow crayon. What else is in here?
Oh my God, he's still talking.
How is this JJ doll still talking with his chest cut open? Let's keep digging.
What's in here?
What's going on here? Stop already. Stop. Stop. No, stop.
What the heck? Oh my God. Let's just finish this. Another crayon?
It's a green crayon now.
Another one?
It's just a bunch of crayons. Crayons and ABCs.
No, let's see. Let's check. Let's keep checking. Wait. Another A.
What the heck?
Is it trying to tell us something? Grab that right there, Bri. I feel something hard. Grab that. What you got there? Is that another letter or something? What?
Oh my goodness.
What letter is that?
Like a W.
W.
He wants to go to bed. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's not a W, that's another M.
No, that's an M.
Mama?
So he think you are his mom.
What?
So JJ really think you his mama.
I guess so, but we just gotta finish this off. Let's see what else is inside.
I smell something funky and sour.
Sour, right?
What? Ew. Oh my.
What is that? Wait a minute, what is that? Look.
Smell that. What does it smell
What does it smell like?
Smell like mango.
Mangoes? Taste it.
What
Mangoes?
It's like a baby.
Baby food top. Wait a minute.
Well, I kind of like mangoes. I ain't gonna hold you.
That's a beach nut baby food top.
Not coming out of a
What is
baby's inside. Like,
what is the baby food doing in there?
I don't know, but let's just keep digging in here.
What
I know
else
there's
is
something.
in there? Oh my God, look at all that baby food. Look.
Look at this.
A pacifier?
You want this?
Nope.
JJ, what are you, what have you been doing with yourself? I keep finding, look at this, another piece of a crayon. What else is in here? Oh my God, it feels so gross.
I'm not touching.
Look at this. You just eating crayons and baby food and Bobos, pacifiers? What else is in here?
Is that it?
I think so.
What
But
the?
oh my God, look at that,
Ew,
guys.
what is that?
That's what's inside.
That is disgusting.
Ugh. How is this thing still going?
We need to get rid of him.
Yeah, we do. What?
Where did he go?
Yeah.
He was literally just right here.
How did he get out of this tape?
That's a good question. Look down. What? Oh my goodness.
Guys, what is he doing there?
He thinks you his mom.
Guys, I'm not his mom. Why does he keep saying mama? I'm not his mom. Guys, what is he doing here?
He thinks you're his mom.
Oh my God, this is so creepy.
Oh my goodness.
We gotta end this video off. Guys, we're about to end this video off. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Oh my goodness, this is so creepy.